At first glance, many lens protectors may look similar, but this one stands out from many regular products on the market. The biggest reason is the material. The most unique part is the imported glass material, which is currently exclusive to our partner factory for lens protector production. To make the comparison clear, we have marked them here. This is a regular one and this is a new one. Now to show the difference, we will test them with a professional glass hardness blade. Many regular lens protectors can crack with just a little pressure, but this new version maintains much stronger and more stable under the same test. It also comes with AR treatment, delivering over 95% light transmittance. So it's not just about protection, it also helps maintain clearer image quality and better camera performance. Another key point is the full glue application. It allows smoother air release during installation, helping avoid bubbles and snowflake patterns that are common in low-quality products. For customers who prefer a different structure, we also offer a side glue version, which helps eliminate air bubbles and ensures secure attachment without easy detachment or dust infiltration. For the backing, we use high-quality acrylic material, which offers tighter tolerance control and better long-term stability. It's less likely to turn yellow over time and maintains stable even under extreme temperatures, from 16 degrees Celsius high heat to minus 45 degrees Celsius low temperature. So even after long storage, its performance is not easily affected. Each product also includes a cleaning kit for easier installation. So compared with many standard lens protectors on the market, this one stands out in hardness, clarity, installation performance, and long-term stability. That's the difference high-quality manufacturing can make.